Oh, there you go, largemouth. There we go. Sweet. There we go, folks. Nice little largie. Look at that. It's kind of a weird looking largemouth, though. All right. 3 fish. That ain't bad.
Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.